bucket. This is my rubbish bin. Sink. This is a tub that I use to catch the water with my automatic water dispenser. And the dish strainer. Oh, and the shoe fly, can't forget that. Paper towels. So I really try to have all of my setup gear in the bottom, because once you put the other compartments on top, then you can't get into this one. So once you've put your drawers and tubs and stuff up high, so when you get there, you empty this one out because you're going to use pretty much all of that, close it up, and then stack everything else on top. Yeah, so that's the bottom one. So next I have pots, and I'm going to put some collapsible containers and bowls in this bottom one, but it's empty at the moment, like this salad bowls and stuff. And this one is my pot, so I have some Sea to Summit collapsible ones. This one is a jug as well, like it's got a little spout on it and some handles. There's the spout. And it's a little pot, 2-minute noodles and things like that. This is a pan, just a little one. A couple of eggs fit in there. This is my cheese grater. I'll try and do this all with one hand. So it goes in here somehow. No, not that way. Goes the other way. Into these slots. And then it catches all your stuff under here. And if you wanted to, it's also got measurements on it. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Got measurements on it, so you can use that as a measuring jug, and you could put a peeler and some things in there if you wanted to save more space. But I thought that was pretty handy for camping. One up is cutlery and dinnerware. So again, I have Sea to Summit collapsible bowls and plates, just because I wanted to fit as much stuff as I could in these things, and the weight as well. I wanted to really keep the weight down. My cups. This is a cup. I wouldn't really recommend these as these Sea to Summit cups, but again, this has measuring things on it, so I thought that might be alright. Just keep one in there. And the top one, cutlery, all sorted, scissors, knives, all my cooking utensils, can opener, that kind of stuff. And the very top has got my cleaning gear in it. It's got other stuff in here as well, but so rubbish bags for the bin. That's a mosquito, and this is pretty good actually. Keeps the cockroaches away and mosquitoes. You just take the, it's natural, just take the lid off and leave it about the place. Dish soap, hand wash, and spray and wipe. This is an extra bag. Oh, and All Points Camping, they are awesome. Located in New Zealand, as you can see. Really cool club. You can get discounts and stuff if you join. Some citronella cloths, tea towels. Down under here is different size plastic bags for food storage and things like that, anything that might come up. In here this is my water dispenser. It's rechargeable. Just put the little spout in, and the hose, the silicone hose, goes in the bottom and into the tank, and that way I just have to touch the top of it with my wrist or something if I've got dirty hands, if I'm cooking and stuff, and it cleans them up. In here I've got lots of little bits and pieces, some clips for the top of food packets, some of these flexi tie things, batteries, things like that. And on this side, I haven't quite finished packing it yet, but coffee and tea and things like that will go on this side. Yeah, so that's what I've got so far. Oh, and also going to be getting some, I think, Crush Zero lanterns. So they're nice and flat, and they'll fit on the top here. So I can charge them when we get home and then just put them in the top. Be nice and easy access. So that's about it. And it's on wheels, which is great. And if it doesn't fit in your car, you don't have to worry about that. Once you wheel it over, then you can unstack it and have, you know, maybe this one and this one together, and then the bottom ones together next to it. Yeah, that's about it really. Hopefully have everything in one place and won't forget things.